Let's go to Europe together. Y'all, I've been waiting for this trip. I'm so excited and the time has finally come. The DeCourt family is taking a 2.5-week trip all around Europe. We are hopping from country to country and it's going to be such a blast. But I need to pack for it. And I might be the worst packer known to mankind. I suck at packing. I leave tomorrow and have nothing done. So let's get started. Let's pack and prep together. This is gonna be such an amazing trip and I can't wait to document it for y'all. But I can't do that if I have nothing to wear. So let's fit my entire life for 2.5 weeks into this suitcase and get ready for Europe. First step is going to get my nails done. I've had these nails on for a full month and I loved them. They're so sparkly and pretty, but I did lose one yesterday. I have all my long natural nail and then a little nub. I get acrylic on my natural nail just to make it thicker. My natural nail broke off with the acrylic. I still don't know what I want to do. I'm thinking like stripes or polka dots. I've been super indecisive and I have no idea what I want. But this is the first step of our prep and pack, is getting these bad boys done. Alrighty, I did do a little bit of shopping for this trip simply because my style is very beachy boho and the places I'm going to are not really that vibe. I know you can dress however you want, but I want to fit the aesthetic. I do want to tell y'all the places we're going to first because I haven't really shared it online, but by the time this video's up, I'll be there, so I don't mind sharing now. So here's our little itinerary. I live in Tampa, Florida, so I'm going to fly from Tampa to Atlanta, meet up with my whole family, and then all 5 of us are flying from Atlanta to London. London is our first stop and we're there for a few days exploring all around the city, a few different places all around London, and then we get on a train and head over to Bath. We do a few tours and explorations in Bath, and then we get on another train and we go to Paris, which I'm very, very excited about. I cannot believe I'm gonna get to see the Eiffel Tower in real life. It's like such an insane icon of travel, and the fact that I'm gonna get to see the Eiffel Tower in real life is bonkers to me. I'm so excited. We have tours of the Eiffel Tower, river tour, all this other stuff, shows. We're taking family photos. I'm very, very excited about Paris. And then we head over to Luxembourg. I hope I'm saying that right, but Luxembourg is just like a small European country. I don't know a whole lot about it, but we are also there for a few days. Then we get on a train, we head to Cologne. I didn't plan this vacation, y'all. I'm just here showing up, so I don't really know all this stuff. Then we go to Cologne to Frankfurt. We have a few days in Frankfurt, which I'm so excited. Germany, my dad used to live there. I can't wait to explore around Germany. After we're done with Germany, we fly out of Munich to home, and that's our travel itinerary. It's gonna be so exciting. So many amazing countries and places I've never been to. We're celebrating my parents' 25th wedding anniversary and my mom's 50th birthday. These are all places that they wanted to go, and I'm just happy to be invited. So that's the vibes. Before I show you all the clothing that I picked up, obviously I'm gonna need more than just this because it's a long trip. First thing that's getting packed is this really pretty maxi skirt. I know I just said I want to match the vibe, and this is giving more like beachy boho, but for like Germany, this could be fun with a plain little top. It's still a maxi flowy skirt, but it still feels like me, which I'm trying to find the balance of. And I actually got this from TJ Maxx for $20, so I'll take it. I thrifted this from the Goodwill, and it's this really pretty light blue midi skirt, and it has these like eyelet flower details on the bottom. I loved this. I think with a pretty sweater, it would make a perfect outfit. I know these two blues don't perfectly match, but I did pick up this sweater as well from Amazon. I think this is so pretty for London or Paris. It's just a button-down little sweater. You could leave it buttoned, open it up. I thought with denim or even that skirt could be super cute. Also from Amazon, I got this red high neck top. I wanted something a little more classy, a little more going out vibes. This is just a high neck sleeveless top. Just think jeans, cute sneakers, a lot of jewelry. I could style it up with a nice jacket. And lastly from Amazon, and what I'm most excited about, is this romper because it also feels very me, is a pant romper, and I just love the pattern and design on here. It's kind of giving like picnic table, but in the best way possible. All these light blues, grays, and tan in the bottom. Think white tank or white long sleeve underneath, and some pretty strappy sandals. I want to be comfortable but still cute, and again, still feel like myself, which is the hard part in all of this, because I will say like the city style is not necessarily my normal style. Next, I went to a small beach shop nearby. It's like a local store, and I got this set. This set is beautiful. It was really expensive, but it's something that I think I'm gonna wear multiple times. Look at this top. It's so pretty in crochet. It has little ties in the front, and I would rewear this a million times. I love not only the top, but it comes with matching shorts. The same style with the tan and the black. Imagine this, some cute loafers, a black jacket in Paris. I think that's where this will get worn. I love it so much, and it's so thick. It has like 2 linings. This was an investment, but I really love it. The brand is Elan right there. I think that's how you say it. The last 3 things I also picked up from a different local boutique. If you're in the St. Pete area, Shoreline Sugars is my favorite store. If I ever need a last minute outfit, they always got me. I just love this. It's also a skirt, so it it looks like a skirt, but it's actually shorts. This thing is so comfy. I've already worn it once and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I could style it so cute with some sneakers, a cute top, an easy walking around the city outfit. Next, I got this vest, and a lot of y'all are gonna be questioning it, but I imagine this with a white long sleeve or a white tank underneath, either some denim or like a white maxi skirt, and I think this is so cute. All right, and finally, the last piece of clothing that I picked up for this trip is this maxi dress. She feels like the star of the show. We're doing family photos, and this is what I'm going to wear for family photos. A midi polka dot dress, and I've been so into polka dots. Clearly, my nails, I got them done polka dots. This is a tan dress, brown polka dots. It's super flattering, it's super comfy, and I think it's giving such Paris vibes. I just love this, and I know it's gonna look amazing for photos. That was kind of a lot, but that's all the clothes that I specifically bought for this trip. I really didn't want to go too crazy, but I wanted to have some new pieces that felt exciting, that I knew I could style well, and then also pull so much from my closet already. But now we need to dig through my actual closet and create outfits and pull other pieces. I've been putting off packing for so long, y'all. I do not want to. I think we're gonna start with bottoms, and I'm gonna try and make outfits. I never pack in outfits, but I really think that that will help a lot. And obviously I'm gonna have to rewear stuff, mix and match, but I think if I pack in outfits, it'll be so much easier because I already know what I'm gonna wanna wear, and I never do that. I'm the queen of throwing random crap into a suitcase and just figuring it out when I get there. New stuff laid out. Let's go through my closet. This is me showing y'all that after cleaning it out, I have still kept it pretty nice and organized. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bottoms that I 100% know I'm bringing. My white maxi skirt. I love this. It's perfect to add to any outfit. You could style any top with this. 100% getting packed and going to be worn multiple times. As well as these blue pants, striped linen pants. I love these. They're so comfortable. And then these are also blue pants, but they're a little thicker. They have some ruffles down the side. This is a tan maxi. Goes with so much, and it's really breathable and comfortable. The temperatures are between like 40 and 70. So I'm gonna have to layer and, you know, take off, put on. These linen pants, also a yes. They're this beautiful olive green color. I just wore them for the first time the other day. This is looking good already. This is promising. I already have a lot. I need to try on these 3 pairs and decide which I'm bringing. I'll probably bring 2 pairs of jeans, a dark and a light. That'll be determined later. I think that's all like the bottoms I'm bringing. Let's do dresses. We are going to go through all of my dresses and decide which ones I want to bring. Cute, but too cold. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to stick to maxis just because of the temperature. This is beautiful. I could totally see myself wearing it. Yes, I'm bringing this from Princess Polly. I'm trying to decide if I should bring like a little clubby nighttime dress. We don't have really clubby plans, but this is such a pretty black, like slinky dress. I love this blue maxi. You can't really tell, but it's very heavy and takes up a lot of space. So we're not gonna bring it because I need to pack efficiently. What else? What else do we have? This as a travel outfit. It's just this orange jumpsuit because we have lots of train days. I think this is comfy but still can be walked around and worn in the city. I don't know if this is the vibe. This gives me more Florida country concert than London, Paris, so we're gonna go no. Pass on her. All right, let's play mix and match. How do we mix and match and make as many outfits as possible? First, these green linen pants. I have a matching green linen top that could be worn as a set, so that's one outfit. And then with this skirt, outfit, 2 outfits right there. I also have so many plain white tops that I could just throw on with this skirt. White maxi skirt, could go with this sweater, could go with this vest. This could go with literally any top ever. These 2 blue pants literally go with anything, as well as this blue skirt. Is that too much blue bottoms though? I love some blue. Nah, I don't think so. I think I'll wear them because they're all so comfy. I'm looking at 4 tops right here that could go with any of these. I'll just go through them really quick for y'all. I'm trying to give y'all outfit inspo and tell you where everything's from. I thrifted this top. It's super pretty, flowy, off the shoulder white one. This could be a good like sweater to throw over if I get cold or wear with any of those. This is a staple in my wardrobe. Plain white long tank from Zara. I also thrifted this long sleeve. It's so 70s, so fun. Look how cute and pretty that is. Could go again with any of those. Pants and skirt locked in. This is locked in. This is so scary having to pack it all right now. 5, 6, 7. It's only a week worth of clothes. Dresses, we have, so I have 3 maxis, 2 overalls. That's pretty good, Katie. I think I'm doing good. I also pulled these out of my closet, just a plain blue. Also, I have this black long sleeve. I think this would be good for layering if I needed it. Just a basic. And then I'm debating on this sparkly black. I don't know about this, so I'm putting that to the side. All of these white tops can be packed. Why is this so full already? Jean try on. Here's the first pair. Just some like straight leg, basic wash jeans. They're low-waisted. I like these a lot. These are darker wash. I think these are technically like barrel jeans. I haven't worn these yet. Also low-waisted. I don't know how I feel about these. These are maybe. Let's try on these last ones. Oh, yeah. I love these. These are so cute. But they're almost the same color as the other ones. Don't these look like similar washes, or am I crazy? These are darker, but they're very similar. I wanted a darker wash. Whatever, I'm bringing these and these because I like them the best and I want to feel comfortable in what I'm wearing. Those 2 jeans, and then I need to try on this set. I bought this a long time ago and never wore it, but I think it could be cute. It's just these white linen shorts and this white linen top. This is cute, but the shorts are huge. They're so big, I think you could fit 2 of me in here. This set is so fun though. I just wish it was smaller. Not bringing this, but at least we got our jeans. I'm running out of space very fast. I have 2 PJ sets that I'm bringing, and then I'll bring t-shirts, oversized t-shirts to sleep in, seashell beachy print, also matching sleep short. And then I got these Aperol Spritz little boxer shorts that I also love with the matching top. Has little spritz things on it, orange, lemon, strawberries. This skirt I think is super pretty. And then my denim skirt. I think this is always a good idea for the days it's a little more warm. Could wear this with a sweater. Counting out socks and undies, I'm bringing so many pairs. I hate to not have enough. We do have a little washing machine in Paris, so I know I can do laundry there. I'm just gonna bring so many. so many. Undies and socks. Then I have regular bras and sports bras, bralettes. All the boob stuff is going in this category. I also need my boob tape and sticky boobs. Bringing 2 little workout shorts just in case and to go under dresses. Shoes is the hard one for me because obviously the main goal is to have our feet be comfortable. I did a ton of research and came across these on Amazon, and this is what I'm gonna be bringing as one of my sandals. They're not the cutest, but they are very comfortable. I have worn them before. Wanted to make sure they were comfy. So this is one of the shoes I'm bringing. I'm also going to bring my New Balances. These are so comfortable and they're neutral colors, so they go with pretty much everything. So these sneakers are coming with me. I need to do accessories, toiletries, jewelry, hair stuff. Oh my gosh. Thought I was nearing the end. I am not. Alrighty, y'all. It is obviously much later. I finished packing all of my clothes and everything that I could pack today. I still have to use my toiletries, pack up my book bag and all that stuff tomorrow before I leave. Another prep thing that I like to do before I go on vacation is dye my eyelashes. I naturally just have really blonde eyelashes. You can't see them very well. I've gotten them tinted and lifted before. Honestly, it's really expensive and I ran out of time. I have this tint kit. I bought it off Amazon a while ago. Basically, all you do is you take this like developer and put a squirt in here, the dye, and I just use black and put a squirt in there, mix it together and put it on your eyelids. It could not be more easy. All right, let's dye these babies. I think you leave it on for like 7 minutes or something. I don't really keep track. Just like this, put it all over and try really careful not to get it in your eyeballs because it will burn. All right, I know I look crazy, but the dye is on my eyelashes. And now, like I said, I just let it develop a little bit. I just take a wet one of these, go like this, and wipe it off. It makes enough of a difference on my blonde eyelashes for me to want to do it. So lashes are done. Hopefully you notice a difference. I think it gives it a little extra pop, a little extra something. That's it for the packing and prepping of today. Tomorrow is Europe day. I have the travel jumpsuit on, so you already know what day it is. It's Europe time. I'm also freshly showered, so that means I can finally pack all of my toiletries. This is the best thing to pack your toiletries in. I got it off Amazon. I've had it for forever. It holds everything. I'm checking my bag, obviously, so I can bring big things like this, but shampoo and conditioner, lotion, micellar water, face wash, hairspray, dry shampoo, little wipes to throw in my bag. Can't forget these. That is one full toiletry bag, but I literally think it has everything I live with. Hair, skin, body, shampoo, conditioner, everything I use. Let's work on my book bag. This is what is going to be going on the plane with me. This is actually a travel book bag. I haven't had the chance to use it yet. I got it for my birthday and I'm so excited to use it. There are so many pockets in this bag. It's crazy. This is like a little travel bag that I keep all my stuff in. Passport, passport, wallet, chapstick, cash, all that stuff. I put my snackies in here. I have a little Kind bar, and then I brought some gummies. Time to play Tetris. Here is my toiletry bag. Ugh, I need it to fit. And then I'm thinking makeup bag right there, and then I might be good, y'all. I just need to make sure it's under 50 pounds now. So let's play this game together. I really hope it's under 50 because I don't know what I'm gonna be able to take out. Oh no, I lost a shoe. Please zip. This is not off to a good start. Haha, she zips. Yeah, there's no way this is under 50 pounds. I'm so screwed. I'm 15 pounds over. Oh my gosh. I can barely lift it, that's how heavy it is. I'm sweating, I just took a bunch of stuff out. I'm praying, but this time it's good. I physically can't take anything else out of there. My book bag is full to the brim. Say a prayer. Come on, Katie. What the freak? How did that do nothing? I'm still 10 pounds over. I've taken so much out of this bag and re-weighed it a million times now. I can't afford to do it anymore. My Uber's here in 10 minutes. And if I take anything else out, I'm gonna be naked or stink. Hopefully I figure this out, but thanks for packing and prepping with me for Europe. I'm literally about to go hop in the Uber and drive to the airport right now. I can't wait to vlog this trip for you guys. It's gonna be so amazing. And hopefully my bag is not chronically overweight. I think the scale is confused because I've done this a million times. I love you. Thanks so much for watching. Tune into all my socials because I'm going to be so active posting across all of them. And that's it for this one. See you in the next vlog. Bye guys.